Hello, this is me, a plant scientist, and you are watching Botany Matters. In this video, I am going to cover a very important topic which usually comes to the mind of all botany students, like what are the major disciplines or branches in this field of botany? So let's find out the answer. As you know that botany is the scientific study of plants. But interestingly, this field of botany covers a broad range of disciplines, as you can see in the list below. But it is impossible for anyone to cover each and every discipline. So for your convenience, I have divided all these types into 8 major disciplines. And I'll assure you that if you grasp all these 8 types, you can easily master this field of botany. The first one is systematic botany. This is a very important discipline which mainly deals with 3 important aspects, including identification, naming, and classification of different plants. In simple words, I can say that in this field, the plant scientists mainly explore the diversity of different plants and then place different plant species into a well-organized classification system. So, all such knowledge makes it easier for the plant scientist to explore the phylogenetic trends. The main basic principle on which this discipline works is that plants are divided into different taxonomic groups. And this division of plants is mainly based on a variety of different parameters, including anatomy, embryology, and much more. The second most important discipline is anatomical botany. The term anatomy means internal structures. So, in this discipline, we can study the internal structures of plants in detail. And in order to see the internal structures, first we need to cut out the cross sections of different plant organs, and then we can observe the details under the microscope. We can see the internal structures or anatomy of any plant organ. So, based on the type of organ, there are many categories in anatomical botany, like leaf anatomy, stem anatomy, and much more. The fascinating diagram which you can see on the right of your screen is representing the leaf anatomy. The third important discipline in the list is morphological botany. Morphology means external appearance. So, this discipline of morphological botany deals with the study of external or physical structures of plants. There are many areas of investigation in this discipline, like comparative investigation, in which we compare the physical structures of two plants and then check for the extent of similarity or difference between them. While the other areas of investigation include the study of vegetative or reproductive traits and the study of plant growth and development. The fourth important discipline is physiological botany. Physiology means function. So, as the name suggests, this subdiscipline of physiological botany is concerned with the functioning of plants. Means it focuses on all the internal activities taking place inside the plant body, including both the physical as well as chemical processes associated with plant. For example, photosynthesis and respiration. This broad discipline of plant physiology is further divided into several main areas of research. For example, exploring the biochemistry of plants, the study of plant pigment like chlorophyll, and much more. The fifth most important discipline is plant pathology. In this discipline, plant scientist mainly deals with the study of different plant diseases which are mainly caused by two factors, either by pathogens or environmental factors. The pathogens which mainly cause diseases in plants are given in the list below. And if we think about the environmental factors, then these can be of two types, either natural or man-made. Now the sixth discipline in the list is plant ecology. The term ecology means the study of environment or ecosystem. So in plant ecology, we get to know about the interrelationship between a plant and its environment. The main objective of this study is to understand a variety of plant distribution patterns or to estimate the productivity of plants and many such important factors. Now here comes the second last and the most modern discipline in plant sciences, which is about plant genetics. Genetics is the study of genes. In this discipline, scientists mainly study the transmission of genes and they try to find out the cause of variation in inherited traits. And one of the emerging areas of interest in this discipline is the production of genetically modified organisms, or specifically the genetically modified crops. Last but not the least is the discipline of plant cytology. This discipline deals with all the important aspects of an individual plant cell, either its shape, structure, or function. This discipline is somewhat contradictory, and most of the time, this field of plant cytology overlaps with other disciplines like genetics, physiology, or systematic botany. This is all for now. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video useful, then hit the like button and do subscribe to this channel Botany Matters.